How about the price of oil this morning? It is up 72.25 this morning. That's a 2% gain. And our next guest is an oil man, certainly an energy man. Let's put it like that. He's going to be at the United Nations General Assembly this week, and he's there to talk energy. John Campion is here, APR Energy chairman. John, welcome back to the show.
Thanks, Stuart. How are you?
Now, I'm remarkable. Well, state of flux is
state of
where we are.
Exactly.
You're going to be at the UN meeting. You're talking energy.
Yes, I am.
Are you going to make the point that America, when we talk energy, we're speaking from a position of strength because we're producing a lot of oil?
Look, we're producing a lot of oil, and OPEC, I mean, not to put too fine a point on it, OPEC's time is running. The effect they could have on the economy, the effect they could have had on global markets by simply announcing a cut in production and a raise in oil prices would send a lot of markets down significantly. But global energy portfolios are so diversified. The U.S. energy production is so high, 11 million barrels of oil. We actually can produce more oil than Saudi.
Okay.
Think about that for a second.
Right.
So what they can do and how they can affect us is not as big as it used to be. We're not an oil-driven economy anymore.
Okay. Now, the Iranians, they're at the United Nations.
They are.
Who knows whether or not our delegation will talk to the Iranian delegation or not? We don't know that. But sanctions on Iranian oil are due to go into effect very, very soon.
Correct.
And yet, it appears that Saudi Arabia and or America have enough oil that we could replace any missing Iranian oil.
Correct. And the other issue, and you and I have talked about this in the past, LNG, natural gas, is linked to the price of a barrel of oil. So that means this winter, whose energy prices go up? The Europeans, our allies in Europe. And where are they getting their gas from?
Russia.
And where does those hard currency go? Where's that hard currency go?
You tell me.
Back to Moscow.
Okay.
So we've got allies on this side, we've got allies on that side, and almost juxtaposed. So OPEC cuts production, price goes up, the price of gas in Europe goes up, and the Russians benefit.
Okay, what about natural gas exports from the United States?
Correct. Natural gas exports are at an all-time record, right? And we will have the ability to export 350 million tons of LNG per annum, almost a third of the global need.
That's an enormous amount.
It's an enormous amount.
Well, when do we get to that 350 million tons?
We're getting there. We're getting there. I mean, the export of gas into Central America, South America, across the Caribbean, as that begins to come online, but more importantly, Asia, which is the very big market.
What I'm hearing from you is that America is now so powerful with oil and liquefied natural gas that prices probably won't go up that much this winter.
No, they're not.
We will keep a lid on prices.
We shall.
Accurate?
Accurate. That's very accurate.
Would you think oil no more than 80?
I would say that's a fair guess. Fair guess, now, mind you. But it's going to be interesting with some of the people I'm meeting this week. I'm meeting the president of Angola tomorrow.
Okay.
See if we can get him to pay his bill. So we'll see what happens.
Good luck with that, young man.
I shall.
John, thanks for joining us.
God bless. Thank you.
Okay.